You did? What's up, Tune Squad? Tube gang, all of that. Today is Saturday, May the 16th. We're gonna make a secret excursion to a river since beaches are closed. Sneaky. Yeah, so we'll be going to Vega Baja. I'm headed to pick up my homie, and then we're going to my other homie's house, and we're gonna get ready to leave. So, great success. Wow. Always waiting. I told him I was here 3 minutes before I was here. Man, it can slow today. Tired of waiting? Hey, bro.
No neverita.
Squad. Maybe we'll finally make it. Are you gonna do it?
Yo, Dan, this is Brian. Brian, this is Dan.
Let him run fun.
He has a...
Somebody do something.
Brian, suck Dan's dick real quick. Don't get us a like.
This is coronavirus time, man. Ain't nothing else to do. Can't go to the beach, can't do shit, yo. So we're going to the river. Baseball and nothing will happen.
Like American football.
You can watch it for 5 hours.
You can watch a whole game and nothing will happen.
That's true.
You'll be like, oh,
Because they're too good.
this is very good.
Because
The best. What? Yeah, give me
That's
one.
100% true.
football is dying.
Soccer's alright, but NFL's the shit.
Football is dying. And it's limited. It's only
NFL's the most
here.
intense.
But UFC,
really know
if you
that.
wanna,
Yeah, but I don't-
watch UFC.
Gang.
Vega Alta, Vega Baja. I don't even know where we are, man. So
We're
just
in the
here.
area.
Almirante Sur. That's I know where we are. That's the ghetto we are.
Boom.
So like 5 burned cars in here. So
Easy. And now we.
Yeah, I should brought some shoes.
What was you thinking? Like, you can park in a river?
Getting poison ivy if it's here.
there's no poison ivy in Puerto Rico.
Oh, there is.
There is?
Yeah.
Hell no.
I know that for a fact.
Nah.
Damn you, Brian.
I know that from personal experience.
Los taínos.
I crushed my drum right here.
You did? That's the right way to go. That's content. Woo! I got tired. I said, well, we going, this is it.